Hey guys, and welcome back to the Detours. I am your host, DeLacy.
And Marvin.
And today we'll be covering Kemah Boardwalk as a true hidden gem.
Situated 30 miles southeast of downtown Houston and built entirely along the shores of Clear Lake, sits the 60-acre boardwalk with a mini amusement park. Acquired by the Landry's Corporation in 1997 and officially opened in 1998, it features a solid collection of rides, midway games, a boutique hotel, the Boardwalk Beast Boat, 10 restaurants, the CP Hurlington Railroad Train, which gives a complete tour of the boardwalk, and many shops to choose from. Operating year-round and hosting over an average of 3 million visitors a year.
While there is no charge to walk around the boardwalk, tickets for rides can be purchased individually or all-day ride passes are available. The boardwalk features a roller coaster enthusiast hidden gem, the Boardwalk Bullet, with an opening date of August 31st, 2007, and a cost of $3.44 million. This wooden twister roller coaster has a height of 96 feet and features a 92-foot drop. Manufactured by the Gravity Group and designed by Martin and Lemonix.
The Boardwalk Bullet sits on a 1 acre of land and crosses itself over 42 times. An amazing feat of ingenuity as well as necessity, considering the fact that it's 3,266 feet long, reaching speeds of 51 miles per hour with a max G-force of 3.5 Gs. Total ride duration is right over a minute and a half.
The trains are PTC trains, which stands for Philadelphia and Toboggan Coasters, as they did not go with the standard Gravity Group Timberliner trains. And the restraints are the typical PTC lap bar restraints with a seatbelt, which do allow you to catch some serious airtime. There is a height requirement of 48 inches to ride this attraction, and for a boardwalk and not a full-fledged theme park, the Western theming is done very well. This coaster has been placed on the Golden Ticket Awards as a top wooden roller coaster from 2008 to 2022. All right, so now let's get into the nitty-gritty and talk about the review of this roller coaster. First and foremost, walking up to this thing and seeing how compact it truly is absolutely nuts. When you enter the queue line and you're walking up the ramp, you are surrounded by this entire roller coaster. I mean, this thing is crazy how much it crosses in and over itself. I mean, they just fit it in on 1 acre of land. It's insane. So when you do come out of the station, you make a sharp hand right turn and then you crest up the lift. Once you go down that first drop, you hit some insane G-forces and instantly pop into 2 double airtime hills before wrapping yourself back in through the structure. After those 2 airtime hills, you go into an overbank turn before you wrap back into the structure and are met with some more airtime hills before cresting the second highest point of the attraction. And what's funny about this second highest point of the attraction is when they were testing the ride, it actually valleyed, so they had to add a small chain lift to get you over the second half. Once you crest that second drop, the second largest drop on the attraction, you're met with more airtime. And I mean, the airtime is near ejector airtime, especially if you're sitting in the front. I will say sitting in the front is the best seat on this attraction for the simple fact that you are getting those massive pops of airtime. More airtime and drops up underneath the station. It is crazy how compact this thing is. I mean, according to Kemah Boardwalk, this thing is 5 feet away from the water and sitting on that 1 acre plot of land. It is absolutely insane how much this thing is just so compact. Hitting tight turns, throwing you around, throwing you with airtime. It does not let up the entire time that you're on the ride. After hitting the brakes and exiting the attraction, I had time to think. And I honestly have to say, this is one of the best wooden roller coasters I've ever been on. Considering the fact that it's so small, out in the middle of nowhere, this thing is a true hidden gem and a coaster enthusiast's dream. If you love airtime, if you love G-forces, and you love the raggediness of wooden roller coasters, this is definitely a one-of-a-kind coaster and honestly sits in my top 50.
All right, guys, thanks for watching all about this hidden Texas gem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll see you next time right here on The Detours. Oh, yeah.
Piece of hair grease.
Ciao for now.